guys and welcome back to my channel. So today I will be reacting on the trailer of Tughlaq Darbar which stars one of my favorite actors Vijay Sethupathi. I became a big fan of Vijay sir after seeing the movie Super Deluxe. I also liked the way he played the character of Bhavani in Master. So Tughlaq Darbar is an upcoming Indian Tamil language political drama film written and directed by Delhi Prasad Deen Dayal in his directional debut with screenplay and dialogues written by Balaji Tharin. The film stars Vijay Sethupathi, Parthiban, Rashi Khanna in the lead roles. The music of the film is composed by Govind Vasantha with Manoj Paramhasan and Mahindran Jayaraj handling the cinematography. Okay, so let's not waste time and let's start the trailer.
இந்த செந்தமிழ் செல்வனுக்கு சிங்காரவேலன் என பெயர் சூட்டுகிறேன்.
காகைக்கு ஆஹா கூகை, கூகைக்கு ஆஹா காகை.
அவ்வளவுதானா?
இன்னும் 300 வருஷம் ஆனாலும் இங்க எதுவுமே மாற போறதில்ல. நம்மள மாறும் விட மாட்டாங்க. Machi, me using me, torturing me. Where is Vida?
அரசியலுங்கிறது விசுவாசம் இல்லடா, அது ஒரு கணக்கு. அவனை போய் தட்டி தூக்கிட்டு வாங்கடா.
तुमको हिंदी मालूम है? बोलो.
My name is Singarvalan Taluri.
இவ்வளவுதான் ஹிந்தி.
It was quite interesting. This is going to be out and out a Vijay Sethupathi film for sure. He is one of the most versatile actors of India and he has got a great fan following also of his own. Even in Tughlaq Darbar, the way he carries himself, his aura, his swag, his personality, his screen presence is just mind-blowing. I really like the way he blinks his eyes. So Tughlaq Darbar looks like a political satire. It is touted to be a commercial entertainer. The film has Vijay Sethupathi play a budding politician, Singham, who charts his rise in the world of politics from the bottom rank. He plays the character of a henchman of local politician Parthiban, who later in life questions his own existence and vanquishes his mentor to ascend power. This trailer has power-packed performances backed up by some good story and screenplay. So if you're a Vijay Sethupathi fan, then I'm sure that you won't miss the film. But if you are not his fan, I would still recommend you to watch this film because he is one of the best actors of our country and also a very humble person. So I really enjoyed the trailer and I'm definitely not going to miss this film. So that's it for now. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and do give me a thumbs up. Bye.